Growing dill in your garden is very easy and rewarding. Dill, or Anethum graveolens, is an annual herb that is commonly used for cooking and for pickling vegetables. It grows tall, thin stems and delicate leaves that have a distinct flavor and fragrance. In this video, we will show you how to grow dill in your garden and provide some tips on how to care for it. Firstly, it is important to choose the right time to plant your dill. Dill can be planted in the spring when the soil has warmed up to at least 15 degrees Celsius. You can also plant it in late summer for a fall harvest. Dill requires a lot of direct sunlight, so it is important to plant it in an area with full sun. Dill requires regular watering, but it is important not to overwater it. Water your dill once a week, or when the soil feels dry to the touch. Dill grows best in well-draining soil that is nutrient-rich. It is recommended to fertilize your soil before planting. Dill grows up to 90 centimeters tall and requires about 30 centimeters of space between each plant. You can plant as many dill plants as you like, depending on the size of your garden. Dill requires about 5 to 6 weeks to reach maturity. You can harvest the leaves and stems once they are full grown, which typically happens around late August or early September. The most common problem with growing dill is pests, particularly aphids and spider mites. You can control these pests by using insecticidal soap or by removing them by hand. Another common problem is powdery mildew, which can be controlled by spraying a solution of water and baking soda on the plants. Dill can be grown in a variety of climates, but it grows best in warm climates with full sun and well-draining soil. Dill is commonly used in cooking to add flavor to dishes such as fish, potatoes, and salads. It is also commonly used in pickling to add flavor to vegetables such as cucumbers. Dill has a unique taste that is described as fresh and slightly tangy. In conclusion, growing dill in your garden is a simple and rewarding activity. With proper care and attention, dill can provide a delicious and fragrant addition to your cooking and your pickling adventures. Happy gardening!